High cholesterol can lead to chest pain, chronic kidney disease, high blood pressure and heart attacks. Too much cholesterol in your descent can cause the buildup of plaque in your arteries. Plaque buildup can narrow your arteries and stop the flow of blood. But, this simple recipe will help reduce cholesterol levels significantly in 30 days, when consumed regularly. For this recipe you will need these ingredients: 4 lemons, 12 garlic cloves, 3 liters of water. How to prepare and drink. Take 12 cloves of garlic, rinse 4 lemons and chop them into small pieces, put them in a blender and blend until make a well paste is achieved. Mix this mixture with 3 liters of water, then, refrigerate it for 3 days in a closed container. After 3 days, consume 1 tablespoon 3 times in a day and gradually move to 3 tablespoons per intake. This recipe will gradually reduce bad cholesterol from your arteries naturally. Thank you for watching. If you find the video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. To check out my upcoming videos,